Let's talk about a seriously underrated way to squeeze more value and freedom out of your home: converting a garage into a livable space. In places like California and Massachusetts, new laws even make it easier to turn a garage into an ADU, accessory dwelling unit. In hot housing markets like San Diego or San Francisco, these conversions are booming because they give homeowners flexibility, either for family, for renters, or for themselves. Pretty much anywhere with high rents or tight space, a garage conversion suddenly becomes golden. Imagine turning what was once a dusty car park into a sunlit studio. And if you've got aging parents or grown kids who need independence but not distance, a garage turned suite brings peace of mind. The freedom here is huge. It adapts with your life. Today, it's a playroom. Tomorrow, it's a guest suite. Later, it's a rental that funds your retirement trips. It's flexible living at its finest. Here's the real truth on costs. A full legal conversion can run anywhere from $70,000 in cheaper markets to $150,000 plus in expensive ones like California. On average, expect $100,000 to $120,000 for a proper ADU with kitchen and bath. Sounds steep, but compare it to adding a whole new wing on your house. That's often 20 to 30% pricier. And the ROI? Many owners recoup 60 to 80% of what they spend when they sell, which is better than most other home upgrades. Plus, if you rent it out, the space can literally pay for itself over time. Yes, there are trade-offs. You'll lose parking or storage. Some buyers in car-heavy suburbs prefer garages, so resale value depends on your market. Permits, design fees, and inspections add thousands. Budget $10,000 to $20,000 just for paperwork and approvals, and if you add a bathroom, plumbing alone can be $15,000 to $25,000. But think of it this way: every dollar goes into a space that earns money, adds value, or makes your life easier. It's not wasted, it's invested. This is where conversions shine. They add real square footage to your home without moving. They generate rental income, sometimes thousands per month in the right city. They raise property value because buyers love versatile units. They adapt as your needs change: office now, apartment later, and they save money because you're building on an existing foundation rather than starting fresh. On top of that, they offer something less tangible but just as valuable: peace of mind. Whether that's financial breathing room from rental income or the comfort of knowing family is nearby but independent, the lifestyle upgrade is massive. Design-wise, the possibilities are endless. Add windows or glass sliders where the garage door was to flood the space with light. Keep the style matching your main house for curb appeal. Use smart layouts with Murphy beds or lofts to keep the room open. And don't forget comfort: full insulation, mini split HVAC, proper wiring, and code-compliant exits. Done right, it's a space that feels just as polished as any other room in the house. So in the end, converting a garage isn't just about more square feet, it's about more freedom, more flexibility, more value. Whether you're creating a guest suite, a private office, or a rental unit that covers your mortgage, it's one of the smartest moves a homeowner can make. And that old garage, it might just be the key to a whole new chapter of living.